Welcome to the NEC SV9100 phone training. In this training, we will discuss the physical features of the phone, go over call handling, which includes placing internal and external calls, putting calls on hold, parking and unparking, transferring, and conferencing. We will also go over how to access the phone directory and adjust and enable personal phone options. We will start by going over the physical features of the phone. The hold button will let you put internal and external calls on hold. The transfer button allows you to transfer a call to another coworker or an outside line. Press the speaker button for hands-free capability. The button lights up when enabled. The mic light will be lit for two-way conversation. To reach out to the last person that you contacted, press the redial button. The directory button will give you a list of all of the employees of your company. The selection key in the middle of your navigation key is a way to press Enter on your phone. At the top of your phone, there is a message indicator light. This light will light up when you are receiving a call or when you have unheard voicemail messages. With your LCD display screen, you'll see your name, extension, the date, and time. At the bottom of the screen, there are 4 telephony functions. In idle mode, you'll see List, Directory, and Voicemail. The last soft key is an arrow to intercom and program. To access these features, you'll press the soft key just below the word. The soft keys provide you access to telephony functions and features that are displayed within your LCD screen. These soft keys will change based upon the functions you're trying to complete. The programmable function keys are used for a variety of telephony features such as lines, speed dial, call appearance, headset, or park. The feature button is used to occasionally access telephony feature setup. The recall button provides fresh dial tone while connected with outside lines. The answer button allows you to answer an external line that's ringing your phone. The first call will automatically be put on hold. To return to the first call, press the flashing line key. This feature is only functional with outside lines. An internal call does not activate the answer key. The mic button allows you to turn on and off your microphone while being hands-free, using a headset or speakerphone. Press the mic button to turn your mic on, the key will light up, and press the button again to turn off your mic. Just remember, if the mic light is on, your mic is on. If the light is off, your mic is off. If you press the mic button while you're on your handset, you'll hear a beep that lets you know when the handset is muted. The light doesn't turn off. The menu button provides access to other phone settings such as ring volume, off-hook ringing, and backlighting. The volume buttons allow you to adjust volume control for your handset, speaker, ringtone, and brightness of LCD display. To place a call using your handset, pick up your handset and dial the extension. To place an external call, dial the trunk access code, 8 or 9, and then the number. Or, press a program button or outside line key. To end a call, hang up the handset. To place a call using your speakerphone, press the speaker button and dial the extension. To place an external call, dial the trunk access code, 8 or 9, and then the number. Or press a program button or outside line key. To end a call, press the speaker button. While a call is ringing your extension, you'll hear your ringtone and the message indicator light will flash. If caller ID information is provided, the caller's name and number will appear on your display. To answer a call using your handset, pick up the handset. To answer a call using your speakerphone, press the speaker button. To answer a call using your headset, press the programmed headset button. When additional calls are received, press the hold key to place the current call on hold and connect with the next call. To retrieve a held call, press the line key that the call came in on or press the intercom key if the held call was an internal call. To place a call on hold, press the red hold button. You can safely place the handset on hook or press the speaker or headset button without ending the call. To take a call off hold, press the flashing line key or intercom button for internal calls. Calls on system hold can be retrieved by any phone with the held line appearance. After a predetermined amount of time, the call will recall to the extension that originally placed that call on hold. To use the redial function, press the redial button. A name or number will display within the LCD screen. Pick up your handset or press the speaker button to initiate the call. To find extensions within your directory, press the Directory soft key. Then press the Extension soft key. Use your scroll key and press up or down to select a specific contact. Press the Dial soft key to dial the number. Parking calls allows you to place a call on hold for anyone in your organization to pick up. While connected to a call, press the Park button. Dial the location 01 through 64. Place the handset on the receiver or press the speaker button to disconnect the call. To retrieve a parked call, press the Park Retrieve button. Enter the park location 01 through 64, and you'll be connected with the park call. To transfer a call from your extension to another number, press the Transfer button. Dial an extension, press a speed dial, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then a number. To do a consult transfer, wait for an answer, announce the call, and hang up to complete the transfer. For a blind transfer, press the Transfer soft key to complete the transfer. To transfer to someone's voicemail, dial the extension followed by 8. To conference a party into a connected call, press the Conference soft key. Dial an extension, press a speed dial, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number of the person you would like to add into the call. Press Add to conference the calls, or Release to return to the original call. Press the Begin soft key to be connected. To manually forward your calls, take the phone off hook. Dial the call forward code 741, press 1 for set, dial your trunk access code 8 or 9, and then the number that you would like your calls forwarded to. Then hang up. To cancel the forward, take the phone off hook. Dial the call forward code 741 and press 0 for cancel. If you have a programmed forwarding button, press the call forward button. Press 1 for set. Dial your trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number that you would like your calls forwarded to. Then hang up. To cancel the call forward, press the call forward button and press 0 to cancel. To adjust your ringer volume, press the speaker button. Dial 729, and using the navigation button, press up to increase and press down to decrease the volume. To change your ringtone, press the speaker button. Dial 720, press 1 for internal or 2 for external. Press 1 through 8 to hear the different rings. The last ring you listen to will be your ringtone. Once you have made your decision, press the speaker button again. Congratulations! You have finished the NEC SV9100 phone training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.